So in the same way as prioritizing customers is critical, so is productizing the services that you deliver. There are stacks of features and outputs that are available out of the box and fully formed from a purpose-built product for planning like Figured. And this is what we're really excited about. This will be the meat of the webinar today, which Darren will take you through in more detail. We've heard from our partners everywhere that they really want to see how to implement this. And so that's what we want to show you. They want to know how to actually assemble these services with Figured. What can you do? What are the standardized outputs we're talking about? And how they enrich with a number of value-added agri-specific insights that are built off of years of your experience, powered by technology created specifically for agri accountants that you can then take to your clients. So today is really about helping you do that, stepping into that opportunity and unlocking it together. Now, some people may be wondering if they could deliver a productized service with general accounting tools that they currently use today, such as spreadsheets. But the fact is, spreadsheets were never designed to be a specialist tool. They definitely serve a function, but they were made to serve deliver against very broad needs. The thing is, agri advisors are specialists and spreadsheets are not. So when spreadsheets are used as an agri advisory tool, they become complex. They involve double handling, and they're often highly personalized, and all of those things make it really difficult to scale. So you're thinking about tapping into that middle majority and doing that in a standardized, achievable way. You really are looking for a purpose-built tool that's designed to achieve exactly that. Pete, from an accounting firm perspective, recognizing that both spreadsheets and a purpose-built tool like Figured have a role to play, where should agri advisors use spreadsheets versus specialist tools?
I mean, as an accountant, we live in Excel. It's a fabulous tool. It's a fabulous analysis tool, but it's not a financial reporting system, full stop. I need actual versus budget reporting. I need to be, doing plans and things like that. Spreadsheets, as you said, Takumi, end up being too complex, and in clients' hands with functions like if functions and lookup functions built into it, there's always errors in spreadsheets. So I find spreadsheets fantastic for analysis in terms of buy-sell decisions, in terms of livestock trades, working out our profitability and return on capital for livestock trades and things. I think they're incredibly useful, but they're not a financial reporting system, full stop.
I share a similar view to Pete around the use of Excel spreadsheets, and we find our time becoming quite consumed by building spreadsheets, and at the expense of communicating some of those key things back to clients. And I guess the other point from my own practice, it actually gives me scalability options, because then by using what you guys have put together, I've got the capacity to take on more clients, whereas I don't have that time taken up in building a spreadsheet. I've already got that foundation set.
Another point, Mark, is generally speaking, most spreadsheets aren't in the cloud. Whereas Figured sitting in the cloud means I can share it with lots of people. So I can have different family members accessing Figured. I can have my banker on a read-only basis come in and see where I'm sitting. My accountant can be working as well. So I'm just finding that in terms of the communication piece of your 3 Cs, Figured helps in that process.